Let's test this out. A second. Just make sure this one doesn't bloody bugger up as well. Alright, guys and girls, welcome back. It is Sunday the 20th of June. It is 11:47 right now at the time of this video. And at the moment I'm using the M Audio microphone. So if I get a bit closer like this, it sounds really clear. And if I go a bit further back, it sounds like it's going away of the sound. So on today's episode, so I'm using the M Audio, or the M Audio, from the what's it called, M Audio brand, which is actually the same people that did the M Audio Air 192 full sort of device thing there, like a little mixer sort of thing. So audio interface, I should say. And you're probably wondering why I'm actually using this one instead of actually using my Rode mic, or NT1A, this one here. This one here, this NT1A, is actually buggered up for some reason. I've had it for probably just a couple of weeks now, whilst I was doing the things, and for some reason the audio keeps cutting out on it. I think it could be something inside of here, because it doesn't look too doesn't look like it's sort of moving in there or something. Well, it's moving, but not moving. I mean, it should be still, but I don't know what's going on in the thing, because you can actually see where it's slightly moved in there. So I'm gonna have to take that back and get another one, a replacement on that one, because for some reason the microphone's messing up, and I got it through Amazon, so they can actually ship that one back off and then just send me another one out. I mean, Amazon are quite good anyway. They usually send the products back. To be honest, I thought this was going to be a fantastic mic. It is. The sound quality is really good on it, and I thought the sound quality was absolutely almost perfect on the spot on it. Especially you could hear it clearly in the headphones. Now with this microphone, the M Audio, it's still good. I mean, for the amount of money I've paid for it, the price, I think it was like 230 odd quid or something for the whole setup. That was with the M Audio interface Air 192.4, and also it came with the pop filters and all this kind of stuff. I think I've got yeah, I've got one down there and stuff, so I'll probably get that out of pop filter and all that. Basically what the pop filter is, it actually has it so you can hear the P's and the B's sound really good when you're just doing singing and stuff, so you can hear the actual sound audio really like pop really good, so you don't hear that popping sound, and it just makes it a hell of a lot better. But anyway, guys and girls, I'm just this is why I've done the video, because I'm gonna have to send this one back. But for the meantime, I'm just gonna have to use this M Audio. Let us know what you think of the quality of the sound, and if I speak really loudly like this, then you can actually, and then when I speak like this really loud, I know I'm not too loud, but come on in, we need to get to the chopper, do it, come on, do it, get to the chopper, and then go back a little bit, come on, do it, hello Georgie. This is Pennywise, the dancing clown. That's a nice boat, Georgie. Nice boat. Care to share, Georgie? Nice boat. You want your boat back, do you? I'm more like Irish on that one. You want your boat back more? You want your boat? Yeah, you want your boat back, Georgie? Come on, Georgie. Want your back? I want a potato. I like my potatoes. Anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching. If you enjoy this episode and you like the microphone, do thumbs up, like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode, because I've got Hell in a Cell to watch at actually 9 minutes time. WWE Hell in a Cell. Actually, I might do like a little talk on it probably tomorrow, or some matches. I'm not too sure yet what my whole system is laid out. But I do know next month is the Flight Simulator 2020 coming up for the Xbox, and I will be doing an absolutely full breakdown of the new updates on there. And also, I've got the new trailers coming out as well, hopefully before July, which should be interesting and all that in itself. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing like a full breakdown of the entire lot. But let us know what you guys and girls think, because I do love Flight Simulator, and I cannot wait for the Xbox One version. Well, not Xbox One, it's Xbox Series S and X. It's going to be much better on the X, but I've just heard that it is going to only be 30 frames per second, and that's 4K. So 4K, 3840, 2160 on the Xbox Series X, which is the most powerful like Xbox out there at the moment you can buy on the marketplace. But unfortunately, it's only doing 30 frames per second, which is actually a bit shit, seeming how powerful it is. You'd think they would do it up to 60 frames per second, and it would be absolutely incredibly smooth. They've got a lot of good, decent CPU on it, and the GPU, which is built onto it, so which is an API altogether, an accelerated processor unit. You would think all those CPUs and GPUs built onto the one chip would actually kill the entire system to actually play anything on it. But if they're then again, it's all down to the developers and how they want to utilize the whole system and the whole game. Now, Microsoft themselves, you think Flight Simulator would have a nice 60 frames per second, and it would be nice and smooth on the Series X. I mean, I would get it if it was 4K 30 frames per second on the Series S, which I've got there, because that's not as powerful as the X, but you would actually notice a big difference in it, really, to be honest. A massive increase difference compared to the X. Now, I would love to get the Series X at some point, but I could not actually get it anywhere at all, due to the fact that basically they've sold out everywhere. And they're charging like 600-700 quid for the Series X somewhere else. And that's second hand as well. And I think that's a bloody rip-off. I mean, I went to I think it was CX store the other day. Looked through the window, and I think they've got the PlayStation 5 for around about nearly not 600, about 799 quid or something, or 700 quid. Oh, I'm going to actually sneeze in a minute. But, yeah, about I think just over 700 quid. I think it was 750 quid or something. And I think, to be honest, that there's a lot of, people just trying to scalper off it at the moment. They're just trying to increase the amount of money. And I think it's absolutely bad on these companies trying to rip off people, when basically we've put them where they are now. These companies, not just like CX Store, but other companies, and they're overpricing and overcharging. But obviously we've got these other like scalpers doing it, and they're charging like £2,000-3,000 for like a PlayStation 5 a disc version. So there needs to be some sort of restrictions on it, or some law to stop them from doing this shit in the fucking first place. But it's the way it goes. But anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching. You stay safe. And actually, let us know in the comments why they're actually doing all this for this price. Why are they putting the prices at that point, or doubling up the prices, or even tripling up the prices on these consoles? As soon as they get them in, you get these other, I wouldn't say companies, but you do get scalpers out there. Buy a load of them. Quickly buy them all up, and then they sell them on there. No one wants to buy them at that fucking price at all. No one wants to buy them at that price. It's ridiculous. It's like daylight robbery at its best. and all that. I would say, well, I wouldn't say it's best, at its worst, but to them it would be the best thing because they're making shitloads of money off it. But if you're going around robbing the customers that actually feed you in the fucking first place, shame on you. Shame on you. It should be as the retail price. It should be the retail price on it. And if you don't do it at the retail prices and all that, it's really bad. But anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching. Stay safe. And I'll see you on the next episode. Probably tomorrow later on because I've got to watch some wrestling for a bit. But you all stay safe and have a good day. Gonna do it. Get to the chopper. My name is Douglas Quaid. We need to get to the chopper. Do it.